So, I'm going to show you how to use the Gale databases at Mount Carmel Academy. The first thing you need to do is open up a web browser, and you want to go to the Mount Carmel website, which is mcacubs.com. And then you want to hover your cursor over academics and you want to click on frequents. Under the frequents, you have a library tab. Notice you have a link to the Gale databases, so that's what I'm going to click. You will get the home page for the Gale databases. These are all of the databases we have at the library. Think of this like the mall. You have to go into the stores at the mall to buy something. Same thing here. You have to click on the database that will do the best job for you. So you have to think about, what am I researching? If you're researching about a person, you would want to go to biography and context. If you need health and wellness information, go to resources, the resource center. If you need literature information, go to Literature Resource Center. If you need information about controversial issues or very current topics, go to Opposing Viewpoints. If you need science information, go to Science in Context. Student Resources in Context is a good general database, and we also have U.S. History in Context and World History in Context. I'm going to show you how to use Student Resources in Context because it's a general database and most of the databases look like it. So I'm going to click on Student Resources in Context. I'm going to search for Susan B. Anthony. It's an easy search. A couple of things to notice once the search results pop up. On this page will tell you all of the different types of sources that you have. So you have 8 reference articles, 5 biographies, primary sources, images, newspaper articles, magazine articles, and then you can come down here and you can look at the certain types of sources that Gale has pulled up for you. So I'm going to come right here to reference. It says I have 8 reference articles, but it only shows me the top 3. So I could click on reference and I could see all 8 of my reference articles. So I'm just going to click on the first one. And a couple of things to note about the article. The citation is down at the bottom. This is the correct citation. Just a little hint or help. Notice now that you need the URL in the citation, so it's a good idea to copy and paste this citation into a Word doc or a Google Doc, and that way you don't have to type this URL, which can get somewhat lengthy sometimes. Up here at the top, notice you can print your articles, or now you can download your articles into your Google Drive. And so I'm going to show you how to do that. You click on download and you tell it to save it to your Google Drive, and you click download. And then you can go into your Google Drive and the database creates a folder in your Google Drive. So this is my Student Resources and Context folder. And when I click here, there's my article right there. So that's how you can save your articles into your Google Drive. Other than that, that's pretty easy. When you want to go back, you can just go back to Browse Topics, or you can actually search up here and search for somebody else. Like here's Lucy Stone, and that's how you do a search in the Gale databases. If you have any questions, please come see us in the library or email us and we'll be happy to answer your questions. Thanks.